I'm Andrew Panda, founder of Workrite Edge Protection Systems. Workrite is a next generation edge protection system made right here in Australia by local workers at our factory.
When working on the edge, it's crucial that safety is the first priority. For many in the construction industry, the daily grind of getting on with the job can sometimes replace the vital steps to ensure safe practice. There's something special about being Australian. We work hard and don't cut corners when it comes to putting in the hard yards. Our pride is in our name, and it's the sole reason we are committed to our products. Our dream is to see every site in the country use our Workrite Edge Protection Systems, Aussie made for Aussie builds. Workrite Edge Protection Systems, the construction industry's leading edge protection.